Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do extension for a floor drain. So start putting the tiles and the floor drain is gonna sink down. So the guys cannot figure out how to do it. So I gotta hack how to do it. I know you're gonna say you can buy extension ring, but that size, it's a 6 1/4. I was looking everywhere, couldn't find anything. So how I got myself extension, that's how you do it, like this. You just chop, go to Home Depot, I think it's a $9 or $10. That's a part number. So that's already one cut and ready to be installed. So you put that like this. And also my wife wants to change from the white one. She didn't like that white one, existing one, so she wants to put a black one. That's why I bought the black ones. You just do it like this, so it's nice and flat, and I give you the perfect size where you need to be. So plus the tin set, and you're gonna be here. So that's how it works. Then you just buy inch and a half stainless steel screws and just screw it in like this, and it will screw in into these guys over here. So here we go, using like this. It's your extension, and you can cut, you can raise it, or you can put it down. Like in my case, I'm gonna trim it a little bit more down and make myself an extension. So that's how to do it. That way you can still lift it up, because I thought I'm gonna build something, but then I'm like, no, I just cut myself one, and it fits on the groove over here. It don't move. Plus I still have a clean out over here. I can use it. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.